Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick little 15-minute makeup look. I'm kind of nervous for this because I'm definitely one of like those all or nothing type of people. Like usually when it comes to makeup, I'm either in full glam or I'm just like not wearing makeup at all. So I usually don't do these type of looks, but I really want to wear some makeup today. I have some errands to run and I just want to look cute. So I'm going to try and do like a little 15-minute like look. I'm going to time myself. So oh gosh, I know that I'm gonna wanna bake and do all this extraness, and I'm just like, I don't know how this is all gonna work in like 15 minutes, but we're gonna try. But yeah, if you wanna see how I get this look, just make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell so you get notified anytime that I make a new upload. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this look. I know I can do this. I can do this. Like, we can do this. Like I'm trying to like hype myself up because I know me like I don't do this. Like I'm just like, if it's not full glam, then I'm just like, okay, I'm perfectly okay with like not wearing makeup if it's not full glam. What I would suggest that you do if you are like in a rush to do your makeup and stuff, I would definitely suggest having like your go-to products kind of like pulled to the side. Also make sure that your tools are all ready. So probably go ahead and like dampen your beauty blender or your sponge beforehand. So that way you're not having to like get up and, you know, do all of that stuff in between. I feel like it probably just makes the process go a little bit faster so we can just focus on getting your makeup done and call it a day. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm on an episode of Squid Game. All right, so let's go ahead and get this timer started. Wish me luck. So boom, let's go. All right, so primer first. I'm using the One Size Beauty, this is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnets Primer. And my skincare is already like done. I did that earlier today, so we're all good to just step into primer. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this onto the forehead. Make sure all of those pores are all smoothed out. Then for foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty. This is the Faux Filter Skin Finish Buildable Coverage Foundation in 430 Neutral. Definitely recommend doing a like a stick foundation because it's always gonna be the most, like the quickest to put on. With liquids, you're gonna have to, you know, spend a little bit more time applying and all this other stuff. So I thought I was going to use a sponge to blend this out, but I think it would probably be better to use a brush. So I'm just using one from Sigma. I think this is the Sigma Beauty Bird, Sigma times Beauty Bird Dream Curved Kabuki brush. I'm trying to go thrift shopping today. I haven't gone thrift shopping in a little bit and it's like one of my favorite pastimes. So I'm gonna try and find some like thrift shops to go to. And I gotta go food shopping. I've been like procrastinating food shopping for some odd reason. And it's like, I'm at my last leg right now. So it's like, it's just time. Like I need to go to the grocery store. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. So foundation is done. I'm going in with my concealer next. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer in shade 4.5. I'm gonna use this underneath the eyes here. And this color is definitely not as bright as I typically go with my concealer. And I'm doing that on purpose because the brighter your concealer is, the more time you're gonna have to spend blending it out. So it's better to go in with a concealer that's like a little bit closer to your skin tones. That way you don't have to spend so much time just like blending and trying to get it to look, you know, flawless and seamless and all their stuff. This brush is really nice. I like this. All right. Next thing I'm using is the Color Green Cream Blush in shade Spicy. I'm gonna use a brush to apply this onto the cheeks. And go back in with my foundation brush to blend. So next thing we want to do is set everything with powder, going in with my fave right now. This is the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Setting Powder in shade number 20. This powder comes in like multiple different shades, but I like to use number 20. But it is more like a translucent, so You don't have to worry about it like changing colors and stuff. And I am gonna be baking. I'm using the Jordana Tecia loose setting powder in shade Peaches. I'm only gonna bake like the under eyes. I don't think I'm gonna bake the bridge of the nose. I'm going in with a brush and we're gonna add that right in here. Okay, while that's baking, we're gonna go ahead and do brows and eyes. So brows, we're using the Kylie Cosmetics brow pencil in shade, I think this is the darkest one, yeah, Ebony, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, shade Ebony. I'm not gonna do anything like ridiculous with my brows. I just wanna make sure that they're even. So I'm mostly gonna focus on the tail and the head of the brow. Just make sure you brush the product in so it doesn't look like super harsh. Then the brow gel that I'm using is the NYX Cosmetics Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. It's just like a basic clear one. I'm just gonna run that through the brow hairs. For eyes, I'm only gonna use a little bit of nude liner in the waterline. This is the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in shade Beige. This is like my signature, so even when I'm doing like something super quick, I always like to add a little bit of like beige on the waterline. And then for mascara, I'm using the So Fierce. This is the Big Bad Lash Mascara in collaboration with Megan Thee Stallion from Revlon. I'm just gonna coat the bottom and top lashes. Even on the days where I have like more time and I like to do like a glam look, like an everyday glam look, sometimes I don't even wear like lashes. I'll just like put on mascara and call it a day. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. This one is from Beauty Bakery. It's their brownie bar. And I'm gonna use the darkest shade, maybe dip into like the orangey terracotta shade in the middle. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of a dust onto the forehead and the cheekbones. Nothing crazy though. And then for blush, we're using the Beauty Bay. This is their powder blusher in shade Coral. I'm just using the same brush that I went in with my powder bronzer. How much time do we have left? Oh, 2 minutes. Oh no. Okay, dusting off this bake. And we're gonna go in with lips now. I'm lining using NYX Cosmetics Slide On Glide On Lip Liner in Intimidate. Lipstick is NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And I'm just gonna switch over to that Melt Cosmetics lip liner. Okay, now I have 2 minutes. I was looking at the time on my, I was looking at the clock, like the actual time of day and not like the timer. Since we still have a little bit of time left, I'm gonna go in with some lashes. So I'm gonna pop on these I Envy Remy 3D lashes in style number 5. While I'm adding my nose highlight, I'm just gonna let this lash glue kind of like get a little tacky. So while those lashes are kind of like drying down, I'm gonna add my highlighter. This one is MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in shade Oh Darling. I'm only gonna add some onto the bridge of the nose because you guys already know I don't be like with highlighter that much anymore. I was like kind of into dewy skin for a little bit, but like with dewier skin looks, I feel like I need time. Like I don't know if I can do like a dewy skin look in 15 minutes, so. And I messed up my brow while I was doing my bronzer, so I'm just gonna touch that up real quick. I'm just gonna pop these babies on. These are like a super thin band too, so they are really, really easy to apply. Oh, snap. Oh gosh, okay. That's it, that's 15 minutes. I think I did it though. I'm missing a lash, but I think I did it. I'm just gonna put on my lash. All right, that's it. All right, so I'm all done. I'm claiming this is a win. Even though the alarm went off and I only had one eyelash on, I'm claiming it because I know I was missing a lash at the end, but I'm claiming this is a win because I don't do looks like this. Like when it comes to makeup, like I like to take my time. Like this is therapeutic for me. Like the process is very therapeutic. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to pick up a few tips here and there. Definitely let me know what you guys think of the look down below in the comments, and let me know too, like if you think that I made it or not. Give this video a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.